Hello, class. Again, I'm writing my GEMDAS down. Let me rewrite my D there. It's a little bit hard to see. Um, you notice at the start of every one of these, I write my GEMDAS down to remind myself what my order of operations are. Okay, so remember we go G grouping, which is parentheses or brackets, E exponent, MD multiply divide, which have equal power. So we work left to right like we read. And then AS is for add, subtract. And once we've done everything else, we do those left to right because adding and subtracting also have equal power to each other. Okay, so let's look at number one. They want us to simplify. I'm going to put a box around the things we need to do first. Okay, we need to do those two things first. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, we're still going to be working within brackets here. We're now out of the parentheses, but still within the brackets. And then we're going to add 14 once we get that. Once we get a sum for what's in the bracket. So 10 plus 24. Okay, put a little box around that. That's 34. And I'm going to bring my 14 plus down. I'm going to box that. 14 plus 34 would be 48. 48. Okay. All right. So 10. Right. Okay. There we have it. Let's look at number two. Okay. We have 5 times. Then we have bracket or open bracket, open parentheses, 8 plus 2, close parentheses, minus 16 minus 9, close parenthesis, close bracket. Sorry. Let's box in our 8 plus 2 and our 16 minus 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay, so 10 minus 7. My 10's not very legible. Let me just fix my 10 here. Sorry, guys, it's a little bit challenging writing, and my writing pen stopped working, so I'm having to use my mouse, which is not really easy for neat writing. So we have 10 minus 7. Okay, we're finished with the parentheses, but we're still in the brackets, and 5 times. Okay, and now 10 minus 7, everybody, is 3. And then 5 times 3. We're now finished with the brackets, but I'm going to box that still. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay. Let's look at number 3. 40 divided by, and then we have 18 minus 9 and 13 minus 12. Let's box our 18 minus 9 and our 13 minus 12. And 18 minus 9, everybody, is 9. Minus 13 minus 12 is 1. Okay, remember, you should be working along, which means at the start of each problem, you should try to work it out and then hit play and see if you get the same answer I do. Okay, still in brackets. Okay, 40 divided by, okay, let's see what we get here. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 40 divided by 8, everybody, would be what? That would be 5, right? Okay. All right, let's look at number 4. 15 plus 5 plus 5 times 2, all within brackets and parentheses, divided by 3. Okay, so we're going to do our 15 plus 5 and our 5 times 2. 15 plus 5 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, we're adding those together, still within our brackets. And then we are dividing by 3. Okay, so everybody, 20 plus 10 would be 30. And we're going to divide that by 3. I'm going to go ahead and put a box around that. And 30 minus 3, everybody, is 10. Okay, so 10. Okay, let's do one more. 21 minus 13 plus 32 minus 24 times 4. Okay, so we're going to box what's inside of the brackets, inside of parentheses. And 21 minus 13, everybody, is 8. 32 minus 24 is also 8. Okay, and we're going to put our plus sign. Those are still in brackets, times 4. Okay, now we're going to solve what's in the brackets first. 8 plus 8 is 16 times 4. Okay, I'm just going to do the math up here. 16 times 4. 16 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry a 2. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So our answer to 5 would be 64. Okay, class, I'll be back to solve the rest of these on this page in just a minute. Thank you.